I found 15 websites where you can do easy work from home and make money online. Now, I found some really good ones that have been verified as really good make money online opportunities. And then I found some other ones that are new and you've probably never heard of, and they're really interesting. So if you appreciate me doing this type of video, go ahead and let me know by gently tapping that like button. And let's get started with number one on the list, which is going to be Testable Minds. And this is a website where individuals can earn money by participating in behavioral and psychological research studies. And this is great for this video because not only do you get to contribute to academic research, but you also get to make money for participating. And there are videos that have actually reviewed this. For instance, this one, where this guy shows that you can actually get paid to do this. There's also lots of reports on websites like Reddit of people who have done this and have made money from it. And this is truly a legitimate way to make money online consistently. However, you can only make around $50 a month from it. But the good thing is there are many different websites like this, many of them we will be going over in this video, where you could just consistently do it monthly. It doesn't take very long. And if you do enough of them, you can make a bunch of money monthly. So overall, this one is legit. You absolutely can make money from it. It isn't one of those scam websites, but the amount of money you can make is capped. So for that reason, I'll give this one a 7 out of 10 opportunity score.
What's up, guys? So we're going to be having a live training where I'm going to be teaching you how to grow and make money from your YouTube channel, okay? So this is gonna be stuff that I've never taught before. It's probably the only time I'm ever gonna teach it, so definitely you wanna show up for it, and it's gonna be at Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So the link to it will be down in the description, or swipe up or whatever, it'll say it on the screen, but definitely check it out. You don't want to miss out on this.
Next is going to be CrowdTap, and this is where you can make money by doing focus groups. So this is a platform that offers both paid surveys as well as product testing opportunities, and it rewards members for their valuable feedback on various different brands. Now, this is another one where there's lots of evidence online of people actually making money and actually getting paid out for this, and typically you are going to get paid out with gift cards. And for instance, you see this person here, it's a Reddit user, and they made $854 in a month. And they basically just did a bunch of these random little focus groups / survey websites, and they just focused on the ones that are known to actually pay people out. So yeah, it doesn't take that long. You can make hundreds of dollars a month from it, and it's well established and it's known to actually pay people out. One thing I do want to say is a lot of the stuff I've seen promoted on YouTube is stuff that's really not known to pay people out. So for instance, you might do a bunch of work and then you never get paid for it. And I do my absolute best to make sure that I never put those types of websites or apps in my videos. And that's why I hired an entire team to help me do research on these videos to make them as good as possible. So if you appreciate that, go ahead and share this video with other people around the internet. I don't have a big marketing team or a giant budget. I rely on you sharing this video or liking the video or just showing it to other people and kind of just talking about my channel in order to grow. So this is a really good one. It's definitely one of the best ones when it comes to the reviews online. Obviously, you're not going to be able to make a full-time income from this, but it is good for a little bit of extra side money. I'll give this one an 8.5 out of 10. Next is going to be a classic, and this one is known to be really good, and that is Amazon's mTurk. And this is basically a crowdsourcing website for microtasks, and businesses or people can hire other people to do microtasks for them. So this might be something as simple as checking some data and putting it into a spreadsheet, which might take 5 minutes a day, or something longer like leaving feedback on something, which might take 30 minutes or an hour a day. And there are a wide range of different tasks that suit just about everybody's skill sets and interests. However, some of the tasks are going to be much more profitable than others, and there are people that have reported online making thousands of dollars a month doing mTurk. However, typically people report making a few $100s a month. For instance, this person averaged about $400 to $500 a month over a year. However, if you find a really good niche and you find a skill set that a bunch of people are looking to hire for, you can actually make full-time money with mTurk. But like I said, a lot of the tasks are not very highly paid, and so you'd really want to be selective about which ones you do. So out of all the ones on this list, mTurk is one of the better ones. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be another really good one, and that is Prolific. And this is where they offer you money for participating in academic surveys and studies. And it's kind of like a virtual research lab where your thoughts are valuable specimens being observed under a microscope. Now, this is another one of these surveys and research sites that have a really good reputation online. There's lots of people that have posted on Reddit, for instance, how they have consistently made money with them. And typically it's reported that you make between $6 and $12 per hour. And realistically, you can make a few $100s, something like maybe $200 a month by using this. And it doesn't really take up that much of your time, and it's something that you can consistently do. So yeah, this is another really good one. I'll go ahead and give it an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be Swagbucks. And this is an online rewards platform where activities like surveys, shopping, and playing games turn into cash or gift cards. And every day they pay out over 10,000 gift cards or PayPal cash deposits to people who use Swagbucks. And they've actually paid out over 565 million in cash or free gift cards. And here's a review from a Reddit user who said that they've been a member of Swagbucks for over 20 years and they've made a good amount of money, averaging $100 plus a month. So this is another one where you can realistically make money either just buying stuff that you were already going to buy anyways, playing video games, or doing surveys. Is this going to make you a millionaire? Absolutely not. But is it a good way to make some side income? It is. I'll give this one an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be Survey Savvy. And this one is exactly what it sounds like. You can make money online by doing surveys. Again, lots of reports online from people who've actually made money doing this. There's one person who claimed that if you do the right surveys, you can make about $10 to $15 an hour. However, most people claim that they make less than that. But with that being said, if you're bored in your free time and you want to do some surveys to make money, maybe you're waiting in line at the DMV, for instance, might as well do this and make some extra cash. So yeah, this one's pretty good. I'll go ahead and give it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be Brandbee. And this is one where you can make money not only by doing surveys, but also by sharing device usage data. And you'll usually get paid out either by gift cards or by cashback rewards via shopping through the app. Now, unfortunately with this one, usually the payouts are relatively low. They do actually pay you out. There just isn't that many opportunities. A lot of the time you see people making $5 a month, $20 a month, maybe 50 or $100 a month at most. But with that being said, it is legit and you can get paid for this. So I'll give this one a 5.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is GG2U. And this is where you get paid for activities such as gaming, taking surveys, and watching videos. Now this one has a lot of positive ratings online as well. Lots of people saying that they've actually made money from it, and the payouts are relatively high. Additionally, it has an option to get paid out in Bitcoin. And what's nice about this one is you can get paid for doing things that are really fun and easy, like playing video games or watching videos. But with that being said, with those types of activities, the payouts are going to be a bit lower usually. And usually if you do those things, you'll be making $1 to $4 an hour. But if you're going to be playing video games or watching videos anyways, might as well get paid to do it. So yeah, this one's pretty good. I'll give it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. By the way, if you're someone who loves the digital world and you want to make a full-time income online, aka basically get a job that pays you $4,000 or $5,000 plus a month, digital marketing is a phenomenal job to get into. And I've interviewed a bunch of people on this channel that have been able to get digital marketing jobs without a college degree or previous experience. For instance, James was a 16-year-old that was able to land a digital marketing job making nearly $50,000 a year. And they were all able to land these digital marketing jobs through my friend Seth's training. And Seth has a free masterclass, which I'll put down in the description, as well as the pinned comment below. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, learn which careers are best to get into, and see if it's a good fit for you. So definitely check that out by clicking the link down in the description or the pinned comment below. Next is going to be open class actions. And this is basically where you get involved in open class action lawsuits. And they provide information on various different class action settlements, and they allow users to file claims and potentially receive compensation. This is another one of Reddit's favorites. They oftentimes talk about how they make a little bit of money here and there from class actions, but usually it's not that much. Usually it might be like $20 or $100. However, not all class action lawsuits are created equally. Some of them you can make a lot more money than others. But with that being said, the opportunity score on this one, I'm going to have to give it like a 6.5 because most people are not making a lot of money from this. But if you're tired of doing normal surveys and you want a little flair in your life, class action lawsuits might be a good option for you. Next is going to be YouGov. And this is an international market research platform that rewards individuals for sharing their opinions through surveys. And you can almost imagine it as like a global town hall meeting where every voice counts and, more importantly, every opinion earns. However, most people on Reddit are reporting making something between like $5 to maybe $20 per month. So the earnings here are somewhat limited. There basically isn't that many opportunities to make a lot of money. So I'll give this one a 6.5 out of 10 opportunity score as well. Next is going to be Connect by Cloud Research. And this is a modern online survey platform offering cash for participating in diverse research projects, all the way from user testing to opinion polls. And this is a company company that was actually founded by academics, so it's meant for research. And here's a video of a guy who basically said he made about $39 with an hour and a half to 2 hours of total work. So that's over $20 an hour, which is pretty good. Now, with that being said, there's no self-reports of people making a ton of money doing this, so the opportunities are somewhat limited. But if you do get opportunities, they do pop up. It's an easy way to make money. So I'll give this one a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is going to be Fetch Rewards. And this is a mobile app that allows users to earn points by scanning shopping receipts, which can be redeemed for gift cards, merchandise, and donations. And you can think of Fetch Rewards as a magic wand that transforms your ordinary shopping receipts into extraordinary points and prizes. Now, with that being said, the earning caps on this one are very low. You could basically scan all of your receipts for a year and you'd probably make around $25. But if you scan a bunch of your friends' receipts as well, you can probably make more than that. However, it's relatively easy to do. You basically just take a picture of your receipts and you're done. So I'll give this one a 6.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next one is very similar, and it's going to be Receipt Pal. And it's basically the same thing. You take a picture of your receipts, you upload it, and they'll pay you to do it. So you can do several of these different websites and you can make extra money from it. Now, according to reports online, this one makes a little bit more money than Fetch Rewards does, but it's still probably around $50 a year if you scanned all your receipts, and more if you scanned all of your friends and family's receipts as well. So I'll give this one a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. By the way, comment down below if you've used any of these apps or you like any of the apps that I've talked about and you want me to talk about them more, or if you think there's some apps that I should have included in this video that I didn't. Always appreciate your comments and feedback, and when I see them, I try to integrate them into future videos. Next on the list is going to be Volno, and this is basically a platform where you get paid to watch videos. So you watch videos, you give feedback on movies, TV shows, and games, and you earn what's known as flow points, which are redeemable for gift cards. Now, this is another one where you're not going to be earning all that much, but there are a lot of positive reviews online. And let's be real here, you're making money for doing something that you'd probably be doing anyways, which is watching movies. But typically you're going to make around like $10 a month doing this. So I'll go ahead and give it a 6 out of 10 opportunity score. By the way, if you haven't done it already, what are you thinking? Subscribe to this channel. Don't be a lurker. I think like 80% of people who regularly watch the channel are not subscribed. So it's only 20% of you that are subscribed. So come on, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot and I appreciate it. Next is going to be InstaGC. And this is an app that rewards users for a variety of different activities, such as watching videos and taking surveys. And although it is known for actually paying people out, the payouts are extremely low. You only make around $1 to $2 per hour usually. So for that reason, I will give this one a 5 out of 10 opportunity score. Now, by the way, I think the absolute best opportunity for making money online is to start creating content. And that's why I'm doing it. And there's so many different niches and so many interests that you can talk about. And so there's types of content that everybody out there can create. And I do actually coach a few people every month on how to create content and how to grow a successful YouTube channel. Now, typically the people I coach have already tried to start YouTube, or in some cases, they are business owners that are trying to grow with YouTube. And if you're interested in my coaching, you can apply for it by clicking the link down in the description as well as the pinned comment below. I'm very picky about who I work with because I'd never want to work with someone who I don't think I can actually get results for. But with that being said, if you think you're a good candidate to get coaching with me, go ahead and apply using the link down in the description as well as the pinned comment below, and you can schedule a call with me. By the way, I had a video go viral on 21 dirty side hustles that nobody knows about, and you can check that video out by clicking right here.